Hello plant people, welcome back to my channel. And in today's video I have this beautiful Sinningia leucotricha with me, and these are some of the spent flowers that I have with me. So it was there for almost the flowers were there for almost 2 weeks, and there's one last one left, and I'll see if I can chop off the top leaves to encourage more flowers. So I'll keep you all updated, but it's raining heavily outside today, and I just thought of filming this video and showing you guys this beautiful plant that I have with me and the blooms. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you're new here, do consider subscribing to my channel for more such contents.